show me a tree like this. Here's the trouble. A tree in the hole, make a circle, and the hole in the ground, and the green grass grew all around, and the green grass grew all around. Got it? And on that branch, and on that branch, there was a nest. There was a nest. It was the prettiest little nest. Was the prettiest little nest that you ever did see. That you ever did see. Nest on the branch, and the branch on the tree, and the tree in the hole, and the hole in the ground, and the green grass grew all around, and the green grass grew all.
The ground started to rise up underneath him. He looked down. It wasn't the ground. It was a lion. He was standing on the lion. And what did the lion do? Who knows?
Try to eat him.
He was going to eat him. He grabbed him by the tail, and he was about to put him in his mouth, and the mouse said, "Don't eat me," he said. "I've got a family. If you let me go, I'll go home to my family, and I'll be able to feed them. And someday, I'll help you." Ha! You help me? You gotta be kidding. I'm a lion. I'm the king of the jungle. How's a little mouse like you gonna help me? You'll see. I'll do it. I'll do it. But a few days later, some men came along through the jungle. Who knows who those men were, what they were doing?
They trapped the lion.
They trapped the lion. Love grows one by one, two by two, and four by four. Love grows round in a circle and comes back a knocking at your front door. We're people.
We're people.
We're animals.
We're animals.
We're flowers.
We're flowers.
And birds in flight. I said we're people.
We're people.
We're animals.
We're animals.
We're flowers.
We're flowers.
In flight. All together now. And we're all a family under one sky. We're a family under one sky. Sing it again. We're all a family under one sky. We're a family under one sky. We've got light skin. We've got dark skin. We've got straight hair and curly too. Let me hear you. We speak English. We speak Spanish. We're different, but we're the same. Okay, here we go. And we're all a family under one sky. We're a family under one sky.
Your shoes, my shoes, done walk a mile or two. Your shoes, my shoes, done all shoes can do. Your shoes, my shoes, done walk a mile or two. Your shoes, my shoes, done all shoes can do. They walked with Rosa to the front of the bus. They walked with Martin when he prayed for us. They walked with me, they walked with you. They done all shoes can do.
They walked with Rosa to the front of the bus. They walked with Martin when he prayed for us. They walked with me, they walked with you. They done all the shoes can do.
They got no laces and the heels broke down. Soles so thin that your feet hit the ground. Can't hardly tell if they're black or they're brown, but they're good enough get us glory.
If we could consider each other a neighbor, a sister, or brother, it could be a wonderful, wonderful world. It could be a wonderful world. Oh yes, it could be a wonderful world.
If each little kid could have fresh milk each day, if all working folks had enough time to play, if each homeless soul had a good place to stay, it could be a wonderful world. Oh yes, it could be a wonderful world.
If we could consider each other a neighbor, a sister, or brother, it could be a wonderful, wonderful world.